Mary. Hello, Mary. Mary, start up. Initialize.
Initializing. System boot up.
Sup, sleepyhead.
Hi.
It's here.
Where?
Right here.
What are we talking about?
It's right here.
Oh no. Did it come to us?
That's right.
So they shipped it despite all the COVID.
I can't wait.
Me too. So you sent it to us?
DroneWorks. DroneWorks hooked us up.
Who at DroneWorks?
Zach Davis.
Zach Davis is a good man.
That's right. You should throw, you know, one of those suggestions? Where do they go? Up here?
Nope.
Up there?
Yes. I got it.
All right. So.
That is not just a carton box. It's a complete carry case.
That's right, girl. Autel Evo II Pro rugged bundle. Directly from DroneWorks.
You surely need that.
Moment of truth, Mary. Oh my goodness. Mary, you gotta check this out, man. This is beautiful.
Sounds like exceptional technology.
It has even storage for more. But check this out. 1, 2, 3 batteries. A charging hub for all 4 batteries. I guess this is the connection. Yep. The connection for the charging hub. And here is the beauty.
Nice.
The Autel Evo II Pro. This is one beautiful drone, man. That thing is heavy.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it is. Well, in comparison to my Anafi that I usually fly, this is the controller, small harness sent to us by DroneWorks. Man, Mary, I tell you, DroneWorks will hook us up with this extra propellers, some more propellers, manual, but that is a lot of flight time right here. Definitely. With these 3 batteries and the 4th one being in here, I assume, because it's really, really heavy. Yes. Everybody been waiting for this drone for months and finally made its way to Hawaii. But yeah, that's pretty much what it comes with. It has this beautiful case right over here. And this huge freaking box that actually has some more room for more things, like a lot more things. So probably an iPad, you can fit 2 more batteries and all these extras. My wife is gonna kill me.
She won't. That would be murder.
Metaphorically. You always gotta take everything so serious. The controller. This is a new thing to me because, I mean, so there's this and then there's that. This feels different.
That controller looks tiny in your big hands.
This really feels different. All right. Feels pretty solid. Looks pretty cool. I really like it. I love it. And 4 batteries with each time 40 minutes of flight time. Damn. Do we have a payload on this?
Based on my calculation, with its current equipped rotor blades, it appears it can carry up to nearly 1100 grams.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh yeah. So that means we'll be able to mount this bad boy on top too.
I would say so.
360 camera. We will just have to find out where. Jesus Christ. This battery is enormous. It's like so big and heavy. Like
7,100 milliamps.
Well, we compare it with the Parrot Anafi, which is like a $500 drone versus a $2,500 drone. And it's like, wow.
That's That's not even a fair comparison.
This is crazy. Size-wise, that thing is probably approximately 50% bigger than my Anafi.
43.5%.
I'm so excited.
I can tell.
This is going to be great. We're going to be having so much fun with this.
I sense reckless intentions in your words.
We'll just have to wait for sunshine now, since it's rainy.
Thank God.
All right, Mary.
Should I synchronize?
Yeah. Run a synchronization, optimize the systems, and then we can go for it. Yes, sir.
Initializing synchronization.